and welcome to Plated. My name's Mark, and today we're going to bake 2 pieces of fish. We're going to bake our favorite fish, which is the pickerel. Some people call it walleye, but either way, we got it filleted off the bone today. So let me open it up. I got inspired to do this recipe through Island Cooking, a fellow YouTuber, and I'll make sure that I leave that down in the description box below. But these are 2 fillets, 2 large fillets, probably about 1.5 pounds total. And you can see even on the other side, we left the skin on because it's really thin. So depending on the type of fish that you use, you're gonna wanna either leave it on or take it off. But we are ready to get it seasoned up. We appreciate everybody watching our channel, and I'll show you how simple this is to go. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and put some oil on it, so when it bakes, it'll kind of get a little color to it, and it won't stick to the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna just brush on some of that right now. So that's why I'm doing this right here. Flip that over. This is a stir-fry oil with some garlic in it. It has a nice fragrance to it. So I wanted to infuse that into the oil too. So I'm gonna wrap it up right now and then put the seasonings together, and then we'll season it up before we put it in the oven. And with the seasonings, you just wanna combine them all together, and it's really your palate of how much seasoning you want on this. But I'm just gonna go with 1/2 teaspoon of everything, and everything that I like. I'm gonna put a little smoked paprika in here. Put a little white pepper for a little bit of heat. Just a touch of that. I've got a teaspoon of ground mustard powder. Put some black pepper in here. Some red pepper flakes, just a few. And some salt. Very easy, and I'll just give it a little stir. Combine this together. Let's bring the fish back in the screen. All right, so we got our seasonings together. Now let's apply it to the fish. We'll apply it on liberally on every piece of the fish, the fillet. Everybody remembers the fillet is without the bones, so if you want to eat it without the bones, have it filleted. Okay, it's time to bake it in the oven. So it's gonna bake for about 20 minutes. We're gonna do ours for about 20 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the center of your oven. And just watch it. And what we're gonna do is take it out to show you once it's done, and we'll have it plated. Thank you for watching Plated.